If you find yourself without any listings with open houses, you can build your business by offering to man the open houses of other agents. Open houses can be a great way for agents to jumpstart some needed activity. Whether you're a new agent or just want some new business, helping other agents with their open houses can give you practice with potential buyers while you learn about the local market. If you're new to an area or a specialty, manning an open house can give you the experience and confidence to move forward. It typically works like this. An agent who is looking to gain experience lets their managing broker know that they're willing to man open houses, and the managing broker can put the word out. Some agents may choose to directly offer their assistance to experienced agents who may be too busy to man their own open houses. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement. Experienced agents get help with the details of their open house, allowing them to concentrate on other priorities or listings. And the more junior agent gets to attach his or her name to a more experienced agent, while getting real-life experience. There's often a daily stipend or referral fee if that open house leads to a sale. Either way, it's smart to man the open house of agents who do a good job of marketing their homes. If there has been no marketing and the agent's just holding an open house to appease the sellers, it may be a waste of time. If you go this route, make sure any potential buyers who attend the open house know that you're hosting it on behalf of the seller's agent and will help them get any information they need. Whether an open house is for your listing or someone else's, when you host an open house, you get the opportunity to put yourself in front of a group of potential new clients. It should be standard practice to collect contact information as soon as visitors come through the door.